Kovu. Kovu, come here. I need to talk to you. Hey, come here. Sit down. Sit. No, sit. Okay, I need you to tell your Auntie Alicia, go run upstairs and tell her to hurry because we're trying to go to the park. Ready? Go. Go tell her.
That's good.
Go. What? Bro, what are you doing? Angelo.
Alicia, so unfortunately that can't happen.
You're a ninja. Hey, Kovu.
Give me your pink knife.
Kovu, did you tell her? Hurry up?
Did she tell you I got my pink knife taken away?
Kovu. Come on. Oh. Let's see if Kovu can play with
She was kicking it earlier.
soccer ball or a frisbee. Or
Wow.
I don't think Kovu can play badminton. So we took Kovu out to the park again today. This time we took my sister. Have you guys met Alicia yet? Babe? Oh yeah, no. At the game?
Yes.
Did you meet them? Come on. Come on. I can't pick it up. This is Alicia, everybody. My kid sister. Whatever. So it doesn't matter now. You guys already know who she is. So we took Kovu to the park, and last time we showed you guys that Kovu doesn't know how to play fetch. Like he's broken, I think, or something. Oh man, he's pooping. Hey babe, pick it up. Babe, pick it up. So happy. You're 10 pounds lighter, huh? So anyways, we brought him here today so we can see, well, first we brought him here so that he can work out some more because my mom still thinks that he's a little too chubby, but he's so cute. And we're gonna see if he likes to play with frisbees too.
I'm voting for Kristen. Point for Angelo.
Polly.
Point for Kristen! How does that feel like?
Shut up.
Not my fault!
What?
Yes! Yeah!
Good boy. Stepped in mud.
Point for Angelo. Everyone's stepping in mud here.
Update.
Woo!
I love this sport.
Oh, really? You're just a poor sport, that's why. We're gonna try to hit you with that soccer ball. Now soccer ball.
No, it's not gonna go to my head.
All right, I'll throw it then.
Kovu, come here. Are we doing headshots now? Kovu.
Whose ball is this? No, run. Run, I'm just gonna throw it. She is. You gonna throw it? Throw it.
No, we're gonna pretend we're gonna run to the car.
No, throw it. She's right behind you.
Ready?
Run, Alicia, go get it. Run. I thought we were gonna run.
I think I pulled something.
I thought we were gonna run. But you said we were gonna run.
Oh, okay. I'll kick it hella far and then.
Can you just throw it?
No, I feel.
As you can tell, I suck.
Yes, you do. You do suck. Wait. Just wait. Okay, go. Go. Run, Alicia, run. As far as you can. Go.
Whoa!
Come on. Angelo, unlock the door. You guys, my sister would legit cry if we left her right now. She would legit cry.
Thank you.
Step in the doo-doo! Okay.
No.
Yeah.
Oh.
I got it. Redemption.
I should have went to the bathroom too.
What?
We're leaving you.
If you start peeing, I'm leaving you and with those girls all the way over there.
Ready?
You know me?
Look at she.
Always eavesdropping. So we had to cut our trip short to the park because my sister had to pee.
Good time, Alicia.
You think a almost 11-year-old would have learned to go pee before we left, right?
boss like that.
She's not gonna know the difference. So anyways, we're going to play a game now that was like an old game, but they just redid it, revamped it. I don't know, released a newer edition. And Angelo, you've never played this, right? Okay, so what does it look like to you?
I know what it is, but I never like physically played it.
Okay. So right now my sister's getting a table down for us from her room so that we can set up. Sure. Why not? A table and some chairs. And then we're gonna play this game. I'll reveal it to you then. So the game is, any guesses? That's the noise of the game.
It's like a drum roll.
So if you have any guesses,
Drum
put it in
roll,
the com-
please.
Any guesses of what the game is, put it in the comments below.
We don't need it. It's not gonna be enough. It's just gonna be a waste. Alicia, stop. It's not gonna be enough. Oh, this kettle's already beat up.
You're going down, sucker.
You're going down, sucker.
You go all the way.
Hey, let me do it.
Go.
Hey, stop.
Okay.
You're backing up. Punk. Okay, enough. Don't mess with my man. My blue bomber.
Oh.
It was just you're mad. So he's gonna get mad at the game because
Ending this video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like.
comment, share, subscribe, turn on our post notifications.
Yeah.
You know you wanna watch us.
Goodbye. Thanks guys.